Hi there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review these shower caddies that I got sent out for review. These are amazing. It includes 5 shower caddies. So you can fit a lot of bottles right here and also soaps and even toothbrushes right here. So it is very easy to install because it has also adhesive strips that you can use to install this, and it is very durable. It will resist a lot of weight. It will hold up to 40 pounds without fearing of falling off. So just make sure that you leave it for 24 hours resting before you start putting some weight, real weight or bottles on them. Okay, so here is how it looks like after 24 hours that we had rested the adhesive strips, and then we put the shower caddies. I love them and I think they look great, and the best of it is that they are very resistant, and also you can hang your sponges right here.